The benefits of a content manager to your business. The benefits of a content manager are numerous. We have listed some key benefits to help you decide if content management is right for your business. Content manager helps generate engaging content. A content manager can help create, curate, and distribute content that resonates with your target audience and drives engagement. It is beneficial when making a consistent brand message across multiple channels. Content manager helps keep your content organized. Content managers can help you keep your content organized so you don't have to search endless folders or tabs to find what you are looking for. It can also help reduce clutter and make it easier to track changes in content over time. Content managers improve SEO rankings by optimizing content and using the right keywords. Content managers can help improve your website and blog SEO rankings. It will make it easier for customers to find you online and help drive more traffic to your site. Content manager saves time. A content manager means that you don't have to spend hours managing the content yourself. Instead, they can take care of it for you, which saves time and allows you to focus on other areas of the business. Content management can be a great asset to any business and help drive more engagement and sales. Content manager responsibilities vary depending on the industry, so make sure you find one well suited to your needs.